Today's class we will discuss about importance or advantages of cost accounting. The deficiencies of financial accounting may be restated as advantages of cost accounting because the latter has emerged to overcome the limitations of the former. However, a good cost accounting system will provide the following main advantages. First, computation of selling prices. Cost accounting provides cost information to determine the price of the product, which is influenced by many factors such as competitive conditions, seasonal demand, change in technology, etc. It is quite advantageous, particularly during depression period when the prices are to be fixed below the cost. Second, reduces cost. All items of cost can be analyzed to minimize the loss and wastage arising from the manufacturing process and finding out new and improved ways to reduce cost associated with different activities. Third advantage is it helps in cost control. Methods of production may be improved or changed so that costs are controlled and profit is increased. The fourth advantage is reveals types of activities. The cost accounting system provides data about profitable and unprofitable products and activities. After investigating the causes of low profitability, the steps may be taken to eliminate or reduce inefficiencies and wastages arising in any form, such as spoilage of materials, underutilization of plant capacity, excessive idle time, low quality of production, etc. The fifth advantage is inventory control. Important techniques of inventory control, which are integral part of cost accounting, are used for helping in the preparation of interim profit and loss accounts such as perpetual inventory system, inventory levels, and ABC analysis. The sixth advantage is it helps in decision making. It helps managers to take decisions that whether to make or buy, replacement of old machinery, introduction of new product line, etc. It provides suitable cost information for managerial decision making. And the last we can say advantage is negotiations. Cost accounting system helps management in negotiations with labor unions and the government on the basis of detailed information provided by it. Thus, an adequate cost accounting system ensures maximum utilization of physical and human resources, checks fraud and manipulation, and helps employees missing as well as the employer in their basic goals getting higher earnings and maximizing the profit of the concern. There are also limitations of cost accounting. Any cost system as observed needs to conform to the nature and character of the business enterprise. So this damage uniformity and universality of any such system. So all this makes all cost accounting an incomplete science. There are so many limitations about the cost accounting system which are as follows. Number 1, necessity. Some persons argue that the maintenance of cost records is not necessary and involves duplication of work. It is supported by giving examples that a large number of concerns are functioning efficiently and prosperely without using any system of cost accounting. It may be true that, but in the present competitive world, to run an enterprise with utmost efficiency, a cost accounting system can help the management to know detailed cost information for decision making. The second disadvantage or limitation is inapplicability. Another limitation is that same cost or cost analysis is seldom relevant to different decision situations. Different situations require different types of cost analysis which put a premium or ingenuity rather than on the system itself. This plea is not very acceptable since the fault lies in an attempt to introduce a traditional ready-made system in the industry. A costing system should consider all types of activities, manufacturing and non-manufacturing, and must be specially designed to meet the need of an enterprise. In fact, applicability of cost accounting is very wide. Third is problem of staff. A business situation is a total human and organic situation. The human assets calculations, which is now recognized all over the world as a powerful productive factor, is not embraced by the cost accounting system. In the initial stages, there may be shortage of training costing staff. Sometimes supervisory staff and workers may not cooperate and assist the additional paperwork arising as a result of the introduction of the cost accounting system. The existing accounting staff also look with suspicion on cost accounting system which is not known to them. With increasing emphasis on social responsibilities of business, the limitation is becoming a reality. The fourth disadvantage is unsuccess and failure. Sometimes it is quoted as an argument against introduction of cost accounting system in some of the undertakings was unsuccess and failure. This is very fallacious argument to make the system a success. The utility of the system should be explained clearly to the entire staff so that the success should be sought out. The fifth disadvantage is expensive, costly. It is not cheaper. It is also argued that this system is quite expensive because analysis, allocation, and apportionment of cost and absorption of overheads require considerable amount of clerical work. For an economical operation of the system, the maintenance of the records may be kept to the minimum, taking into the account the need and use of each record. So in this respect, it may be said that a costing system should be treated as an investment, and benefits derived from the system must exceed the amount spent on it. The sixth limitation is lack of support of top management. One of the important limitation is not to get wholehearted support of every member of the management. Sometimes top management views the system as an interference in their work and do not make use of the system. In this regard, we can say that before the system is installed, the cost accountant should ensure that the management is fully committed to the cost accounting system with a sense of cost consciousness. The seventh disadvantage is that variation in results. Another limitation is that results shown by the cost accounts differ materially from those shown by the financial accounts. Preparation of reconciliation statement frequently is necessary to verify their accuracy. This elaborates to unnecessary increase in workload. In this regard, we can say that the difference between results shown by cost accounts and financial accounts arises on account of over and under absorption of overheads, methods of material prices used, and treatment of other incomes. An integrated system of accounting may help in elimination of these differences. Thus, as I said above, that the cost accounting system helps in minimizing the cost by avoiding problems and limitations, as I told, at all stages. It will definitely prove as a profitable investment in this age of competition and globalization. A manufacturer must know the exact cost not only of each article made but also of each process involved in its production. Hence, it is very necessary and useful for a business enterprise, and it's objectionable to say that it is unnecessary. So in this class, we discussed about the advantages of costing, which were costing help in computation of selling prices, it helps in reducing cost, it helps control cost, it helps in inventory control, it reveals all types of activities, it helps in decision making, inventory control, and negotiations. We discussed about 7 types of limitations. We also discussed about the limitations variation is result, lack of support of top management, it is expensive, it has become a necessity, it is there is inapplicability in many areas, there is problem of staff, unsuccess and failure, expensive, it is also expensive. So we discussed in this class the advantages and limitations of cost accounting. Thank you.